Out here today blowing leaves. I kind of waited a little extra long this year, waiting for everything to get off the trees, but still got a few more left. But my neighbors is the problem. That's the thing. All my trees are back there in the woods where they belong, and my leaves stay back there. But these leaves here are all from the neighboring properties on both sides of me, so I'm blowing them back. I figure, I don't want to be accused of theft or anything like that, or being selfish and trying to hoard them all to myself. So I just spent an hour blowing all the courtyard clear for the most part and around the greenhouses so I can get the big blower out. I got to get that out in a little while. My neighbor next door, she's a nurse, and she just came home from working 16-hour shift, I think. So I'm going to be quiet for here for a little bit. That little blower that I just had just now was a little handheld electric thing. But that big blower is real loud, and so I'm going to wait a few hours and let it warm up a little bit, and then I'll get in here and do that. And meanwhile, I've been tamping soil where my little strip of astroturf is going to go around and to the left side of the edging there. Get that all tamped down, and then I've got a bunch of two-sided heavy-duty plastic and black and white stuff. I got to lay that down and cut strips of that and then pack it down in front of the edging there and then tuck it underneath of the edge of the roll where that's going to be shaped. I've got to shape that edge a little more and get it leveled up. I don't want it too sloped. I want it slightly sloped. I want it like 3 inches like I've got right there high, 3 inches higher than that over there on that side, because that's basically the open area where the white sand's going to go. And I still haven't found anybody to help me finish digging the little holes that I got to have. Actually, they're not that little, but I hate to say it, but I'm going to have to get in there and probably hand dig them. So it's going to take me the rest of the year and better part of spring to get it done, because my back and my hips are not suited for that kind of work anymore. But I do what I got to do. The little supervisor says I'm doing a good job so far. He's looking around, make sure I didn't miss nothing. Did that okay, buddy? Huh? He said, shut up, Papa, let's go eat lunch. It's not time for lunch. I'll get that blower out here in a couple hours, and I'll knock everything back in the woods, and hopefully we don't get any more windstorms. I got this pretty clear over to there, so I'll get that with the big blower and then go out front, blow that out there, and then I've got to cut the grass, and I'll be done with all my chores for the week. And I got one project in that right-hand number 2 greenhouse that's got to be cleared out. I'm going to clear out everything in there that's dead and not producing anything and get all that out. Get all the pots and stuff out and get that ready where I can put my equipment and those workbenches inside. That way I can start pouring the concrete in there and make my little stepping stones and start doing those as soon as I get the money and get a mixer. So hopefully I'll be able to get that next month. Hopefully Santa Claus will work out for me, and we'll get together on that thing, and we'll get some concrete poured, make some stepping stones, some stepping pads to go around where I got to go. That way I'm not walking in that white sand. So once we get all that straight, we'll be happy. So that's basically what I'm doing. I was just trying to hang on. I've been going back and forth to the doctor. I got some really good news yesterday. My diabetes is getting better and starting to go away, actually. And I started this morning, in fact, reducing my insulin. So I knocked off 5 units, and he wants me to wait till the end of the month and then knock off 5 more units of my insulin. So that'll help me. And then he's going to change another medicine that I got. So the Ozempic that I've been taking to lose weight has so far helped me lose 77 pounds. And it's reduced my A1C to the point now that I have to worry about getting too low on my sugar, which I've never had that problem. But I don't think I had that problem with that, because I cheat on my stuff on my diet a little bit once in a while anyway. So I can't see that happening. It never has happened. So I keep my sugar pretty good level anyways. I've been at good practice. 25 years of fighting diabetes, and so far it hasn't done anything super harmful to me. And now my body's going through a bunch of changes because I've lost this weight, and I'm still losing weight. Little small increments in my bones. Are getting the burden lifted off of them from the losing the weight, and my back is giving me a lot of pain and giving me a lot of grief in my hips too. But it goes with the program. He says it's going to be a while till your body adjusts. So we had a double session yesterday. I missed him back in September. He had a real bad migraine. He had to miss work, and they canceled my appointment at the last minute. So I finally got caught up with him, and he gave me a whole hour instead of 30 minutes. So we got everything hashed out and caught up to speed. So I'm good to go for a little bit now. So I'll enjoy my holidays, and I'll be back in 6 months. So that's a pretty good sign too, because usually he makes me come every other month, but to come every 6 months, it means he's pretty confident that I'm on the right track. So I'll be back working on this as soon as I can find a little bit more money and a little bit more help. So hope y'all having a good Wednesday. I will talk to you later. Bye.